Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about how to change an electronic configuration into a noble gas shorthand configuration. So here's our noble gases here in this final group, and I've just written down the electronic configuration of lithium. So 3 electrons, 1s2, 2s1. How we would change this into the noble gas configuration is we would look at the proton number of lithium, and we would look at the noble gas, which is 3, and we would look at the noble gas, which has the next highest proton number. So before lithium would be helium. That's the highest noble gas before lithium. And so what I do is I write that in brackets, helium. Now, helium on its own would have the electronic configuration 1s2. So all lithium is the noble gas helium with an extra 2s1. Now at the moment that might seem like a pretty pointless thing to do, but we'll see later actually it's a lot quicker once you start getting further down the periodic table to use the noble gas configurations. So that's why we use them, to save time. Let's have a look at magnesium and see that. So magnesium has 12 electrons, so 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. If I want to do the noble gas configuration, I can say, right, magnesium is 12, that's its proton number. The noble gas before 12 is neon. So I can write neon in brackets. But neon has the electronic configuration of this. Yeah? Neon is in the second period, it's in the P block, it's the 6th element along in the P block, so neon takes us up to here. So all magnesium is neon with an extra 3s2. You can see how much shorter it is to write that out. Now, let's say I was going to try and do tungsten. I'd have like a huge, chunky, full configuration, or a dead short noble gas configuration. So that's the point. So stop the video. Have a crack at these 4 questions here: phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium and silicon, and then I'll go through the answers. Welcome back. So phosphorus's full electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Phosphorus has a proton number of 15. The noble gas before that is neon at 10. So I can say it's neon with an extra 3s2, 3p3. And we can actually follow that across on the periodic table. Neon's here at 10. To get from 10 to 15, we've got our 3s2, 11 and 12, and then 3p3, 13, 14 and 15. So you can actually follow it across with your finger. Nitrogen will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Its noble gas would be helium with an extra 2s2, 2p3. Potassium, so potassium's a long one here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and then as 4s comes before 3d, as 4s is lower in energy, 4s1. Potassium's 19, before that is argon, so this will just be argon with an extra 4s1. And then silicon, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Silicon is 14, the one before that is neon, with an extra 3s2, 3p2.